to thank the Philippine National Police, our barangay functionaries, mga BLGUs na to, and other government agencies nga nag-provide gayud og suporta ining phenomenon nga insidente karon all over the country. We are just thankful that nothing has transpired here in Region 11, and we intend to really strengthen security more to ensure that nothing of this sort will really happen. It's very unfortunate. But what is happening now in the schools, gipaligo na mo pagmayo ng atong security measures to the best of our ability. We do not allow anyone to get inside without going through the protocol now for security. You have to submit yourself freely, even if you're a teacher, even if you're a learner, even if you are a member of the school community, you really have to submit yourself for inspection. Although natay mga procedures nga pagahimuon, say for example, ay bag inspections good for the learners. Kuwan lang na siya, no? Kining tanawon lang, mata-mata lang, because there are really limits to all of these things. But kung doon namin dakong duda gayod, na another layer din ha, which is we will require the individual to, specifically the learner, to be present in the principal's office, patawag na mo ginikanan, and then we'll do the check-up sa iya. Kanang gitawag nga full bag inspection, gibawal na mo, but naami ka ng pagtanaw lang, of course, with the presence of the concerned. Mga bihikulo are not allowed to enter unless and until the drivers will submit themselves for inspection. They have to submit also driver's license, and ibaba ang mga bintana kay tanawon namo na kung dunay rason nga magduda ang ato ang mga security personnel, the more that we will request the individual to open whatever parts of the car nga, or vehicle nga tanaw na mo pwedeng naikataguan. Now, if they're bringing arms, even if they're members of the armed forces of the PNP or those who are allowed to carry, they have to surrender all this to the learned individual of the school. There is one particular individual in the school who is tasked really to take care of all of these weapons, if ever there are any. And there is standard operating procedure also to that. That's the most that we can do. I mean, there are limits to what we can do. And that's why we're calling on all concerned to really provide us assistance also. Manod ako among pasalamat gayud no sa PNP, nagitay police visibility. Bisan jutay lang ang ilahang gidaganon, naningkamot gyud sila nga ilahang ipakita ang ilahang presensya. The mobile vehicles are there, blinking there. It's really a message that they convey that the authorities are there to support the schools for security reasons. Ang mga magtutudlo nato have been tapped also, and even the PTAs were also tapped. And anybody nga pwede makatabang amo ang agaan og authority to provide us assistance, because good lang if the school is quite small. Kaya kayo na if you have 2, 3 security personnel. But if you have thousands already of students and you only have 20 or 10 security personnel, then you have a monstrous problem to contend with. So you can really see how difficult that would be. And that's but we have to subject everybody to inspection. So sa balay pa lang daan, manawagan ng daan mi sa ginikana, no? Check your parents. Kaya tuwa man yung trabaho tanan. You cannot blame the schools because there is an incident that has transpired inside the school. Do not blame the teachers, because the teachers are there to teach their lessons, the lesson for the children. All of these things happen.